Are you looking to share an online course easily with CrankWheel? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to share your course using CrankWheel in a few simple steps, and stick around to the end because I'll also be recommending a few powerful alternatives that might suit your needs even better. First things first, let's get started with CrankWheel. CrankWheel lets you share your screen with anyone in real time, making it an ideal tool for online courses. Once you sign up, you can quickly set up a live session to walk your students through lessons, materials, or even an entire course. The best part? No downloads required for your audience. This makes it seamless and quick. Next thing, once you've signed in, you'll see a dashboard that's simple and easy to navigate. You'll notice a Start Screen Share button, click that, and you can instantly start sharing your screen. Whether you're teaching with slides or walking through a lesson, your students will see everything as you present. It's super smooth and doesn't require any installation on their part, making it hassle-free. The third thing you'll want to know is that CrankWheel also allows you to share interactive content, which is essential when delivering engaging online courses. You can share images, videos, and even websites. If you're teaching something more complex, like coding or design, this feature will really come in handy. But it's worth mentioning, while CrankWheel works well for simple content, it may lack the interactivity of more course-centric platforms like Teachable or Thinkific, which come with integrated quizzes and assessments. Now, let's talk about customization. With CrankWheel, you have some flexibility, but not as much as you get with a platform specifically designed for online courses. You can share links to your course and set up a simple interface for students, but there's a bit of a trade-off here. For course creators who want more control over course structure, navigation, and branding, CrankWheel might feel a bit limited. The fourth thing is CrankWheel's pricing. They offer a free trial, but once that ends, the pricing can quickly get expensive, especially if you want to unlock advanced features. There are a few cheaper alternatives that provide more comprehensive course building tools with better pricing plans, which I'll be discussing in just a bit. Now that you know how to share your course using CrankWheel, let's take a quick look at what else is out there. While CrankWheel is great for simple live screen sharing, platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or even Kajabi are far better when it comes to creating and sharing online courses with more robust features like course creation tools, assessments, and a better student experience. The big takeaway here is that while CrankWheel is solid for one-on-one or small group sharing, it's not the most feature-rich option for building a complete online course. If you're looking to create something more scalable and structured, those alternative platforms will likely offer you more in the long run. Before you go, here's something special. If you're interested in CrankWheel, you can grab an exclusive, extended free trial through our link in the description below. But here's the kicker. The platforms I mentioned earlier, Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi, also have free trials available, and they might be a better fit for your goal of creating and sharing online courses with more functionality. Check out the link below to grab the best free trials and exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online course creation journey.